Now let's take a look at how to run a program manually and pass values to it. For this example, we'll want the program run interval to be set to 0, so it only runs on demand. I'll make a short program to just print a message to the debug window so we can tell the program has run. As you can see, it has not run yet. It has to be manually triggered to run. And there is our message. But we can't expect an end user to open the program and run it manually. We want to run the program when a button is clicked on a graphic display. We can do that by using the Run with Value property. If this property is set to anything other than an empty string, it will run the program, as we can see here. The program also has access to this value via the system variable named passValue. If we call debug with passValue, we will be able to see this value. Now anything we type here will be displayed in the debug window. This also means that the program can take different actions based on the passed value. I'm going to set up a small program to demonstrate this. Let's skip ahead. Okay, I have created a program that will change a set point to 68 if 1 is passed to the program, and 74 if 2 is passed. If anything else is passed, it will send an error message to the debug window. Pause the video here if you'd like to read over the program code. We can now test our program by running it with the value of 1. Now let's make sure the program ran as expected. Yep, the set point is now 68. Now let's try running it with the value of 2. And now it's 74. It seems to be working properly, but let's now try it with a bad value, something other than 1 or 2 to make sure it handles it properly. The value is still 74, and we got the error message, so the program is functioning as it should. Now let's tie it all together and allow the user to change the set point by clicking a button on a graphic display. We just need to drag the Run with Value property onto the graphic display. Select a button as the gadget. Edit the button to customize it for this situation. I'll just label this button Summer for this simplified example. And to pass a value to the program, we need to go to the Options tab and change the pass value to the value we want passed to the program when this button is clicked. For Summer, we need to pass 2. Now, I'll make a duplicate button, label it Winter, and pass a 1 to the program. Now we can test it out. The set point is already 74, so let's try the Winter button. It can take several seconds to run the program and the graphics screen to update. And there it is. Now let's make sure the Summer button also works. We have only scratched the surface of what can be done with programs. There is a lot more information in the program help files.